Hey guys, today I actually wanted to try my hand at something that I saw on my Instagram. There's this account that I follow, Halloween Countdown, and they posted this really cute picture that I'll insert here for you. And I thought, I really love these little candles, and instantly when I saw them, I knew that Dollar Tree had something very similar. So I'm gonna try to recreate those, but instead of doing the ghost faces, I decided to go with Boo, and you're gonna see how that's all gonna turn out. But definitely take this idea, run with it, and make it like custom to whatever you like. So I'm starting this off with a Dollar Tree glass dinner plate and a Dollar Tree candlestick holder, which as you saw I spray painted black. I still have that leftover spray paint, so it's just spreading across so many different projects. And then I picked up some of these Dollar Tree LED faux candles, if you will, and these are poster letters. I had already taken out some of the letters I needed, but they're actually black, and they do come in different colors too, by the way. So instead of doing the ghost faces like I mentioned, I wanted to spell out Boo. I thought it would be really cute, and I was also just trying to work with materials that I already knew I had on hand just to make it even cheaper for myself. And I basically just took a hot glue gun and secured the letters to each of the candles. And the only difference was when I did the 31, I didn't have poster letters for the numbers, I only had alpha letters, but I did find that these other poster letters from Dollar Tree had numbers in it, but they didn't have it in black. So what I did was, as you saw, you're about to see, sorry, is I basically took out the numbers and glued them to a sheet of black scrapbook paper, and then I cut it out and then I secured it to the LED candle just the way that I did with the Boo with a hot glue gun. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I can't believe how adorable this DIY turned out. I'm obsessed with it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and this idea. Shout out to Halloween Countdown for posting the cutest pictures. I've been following them for a couple years now, and again, they're on Instagram, and give them some love, and they just post the most fun pictures, and I just love seeing really cute things in my feed, to be honest. And that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. I'm probably gonna have one more Halloween video plus candy hauls, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys there. Bye!